In this video, I will teach you how to connect or disconnect Stripe from Substack. So first thing you need to do is to go to the website substack.com, wherein you will be able to see a new media app that connects you with the creators, ideas, and community you care about the most. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on Start Publishing right here and sign up using your email. If you already have an account, you just have to click on Sign In right here on the top right corner and log in using your credentials. Now, once you're all logged in, you'll be able to see and be redirected to the home page of your Substack account. Now, to connect Stripe to your Substack, all you have to do is to click on your profile picture or name right here on the upper left corner of your screen and then click on Settings right here. In this settings page, you just have to scroll down until you see Publication. You must go to the publication of your choosing and then click on it. Now to push through, all you have to do is go to this upper part of your publication and click on Settings right here. Now you just have to locate the Payment section on the left-hand panel. This is where you manage your Stripe integration, which is right here. Now to connect Stripe, you just have to click on Connect with Stripe right here. And this will open a new window that takes you to stripe.com. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, you can create one here. If you already have an account, you can just simply log in. And after logging in or creating your account, you just have to follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Stripe and Substack. Now, if you ever want to disconnect your Stripe account, you just have to go back to the same payment section in Substack settings and you'll see the option Disconnect Stripe right below your connected account info. Just click that, confirm the disconnection, and you're done. And that's it. You just learned how to connect or disconnect Stripe from your Substack account. This allows you to collect payments from subscribers or stop them if needed. That's all there is today. Hope we helped.